Centennial ground, Skyhawk 272 Sierra Papa, Charlie 1, run up complete with a southwest departure with Tango.
Skyhawk 272 Sierra Papa, Centennial ground, what is your location?
Charlie 1.
2 Sierra Papa, runway 17 left, taxi via Alpha.
17 left via Alpha, 272 Sierra Papa.
Alright, assuming it's not too busy, we are going to head to the southwest, over to the southwest practice area. We're going to do some maneuvers, we're going to come back and do some touch and goes.
Cessna 272 Sierra Papa, Centennial Tower, rolling 17 left and line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 17 left, 272 Sierra Papa.
Cessna 272 Sierra Papa, fly straight out, rolling 17 left, clear for takeoff, 13104.
Fly straight out, 17 left, clear for takeoff, 272 Sierra Papa.
Engine gauge is green. Good. Airspeed's alive. Slight crosswind from the right. There's 55, rotating. Alright, let's go pound some touch and goes. Let's get our weather.
Uniform, 2 Alpha Bravo.
Visual approach, runway 17 left in use, landing and departing, runway 17 left, runway 17 right, runway 1028, available on request. Notice to airmen. Hazardous weather information for Colorado available from flight service. Runway 17 right, wind stock out for maintenance. Before departures, advise ground control direction of flight. All departures advise ground control when your run-up is complete. Remain on ground control frequency until advised. Advise on initial contact, you have uniform.
Centennial Southwest Skyhawk 272 Sierra Papa over Chatfield Reservoir, departing to the east at 8,000 feet. Last call, Southwest. Centennial Tower Skyhawk 272 Sierra Papa, 8 miles to the west with uniform inbound for touch and goes.
Cessna 272 Sierra Papa, Centennial Tower ident, contact tower on 123.7.
Over to 123.7, 272 Sierra Papa.
Sierra Golf Foxtrot, roger, follow that traffic.
Follow the traffic, Sierra Golf Fox. Centennial Tower, Skyhawk 272 Sierra Papa with you on 123.7.
I just want to verify the call sign. Was that 872 Sierra Papa for Centennial Tower?
That's 272 Sierra Papa.
So it's a 272 Sierra Papa Centennial Tower to right traffic, runway 17 right, remain west of I-25, report midfield.
Right traffic to runway 17 right, report midfield, stay west I-25, 272 Sierra Papa.
So it's a 5 Charlie Papa, traffic on a 1 mile final for the parallel runway, Cessna.
Roger, we've got him, 5 Charlie Papa.
Diamond Star 3 Whiskey Foxtrot number 2, following Cessna right base to final, runway 17 right, clear touch and go, wind 270 at 5.
17 right, clear touch and go, number 2, Diamond Star 333, Whiskey Foxtrot. And Tower 272 Sierra Papa is entering the downwind midfield for 17 right.
Cessna 2 Sierra Papa, continue in the downwind, you can cross I-25 northbound.
Remain on downwind, cross at 25, 272 Sierra Papa.
Cessna 2 Sierra Papa, year number 2, following Katana, right base to final, turn about a 1 mile final, runway 17 right, clear touch and go, wind 290 at 7, after completion make right, close traffic.
Looking for traffic, right close traffic after landing, and clear for touch and go on 17 right, 272 Sierra Papa.
Did it. I think we did it.